What exactly are AI scams and deepfake scams?
AI is a brand new technology that's been around for the last couple of years now, and it's really gaining a lot of traction. Very cool stuff coming out of it. But one of the things that's very interesting, and you may have seen this in a movie like Star Wars or Indiana Jones, where they take an actor and they manipulate the graphics and such, where they can reproduce someone's likeness and use it. And in movies, it's really fun and cool, but there's a growing problem where people are using it in scams, trying to act as some kind of a CEO at a company or someone else to try to trick you, the person that they're calling, into giving up money or trying to extort you in some capacity. And really, what it is, it's someone recording a video or audio, and then they train the AI to look or sound like you, and in order to trick the person that they're reaching out to. That's essentially what it is. So it's video snippets or audio snippets that are taken to recreate someone else's likeness.